guys, my name's Brent and I'm the owner of HomeFlow and Rocky Mountain Pooper Scoopers. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Facebook ads to Jobber so that as soon as you guys receive a lead, you can automatically put that into your CRM. And from there, you have a bunch of other choices of automations that you can do as well. You can send them messages, which I have shown in other videos, or just a multitude of different things. But in this video in particular, we're going to set up an automation where as soon as a Facebook leads comes in, it's automatically going to get added to your Jobber CRM. So let's get started. All right, so first thing we're going to do, go to your Zapier account, click this plus button, click create and Zaps. And then under the trigger, what's nice is we actually have something built in for both Facebook and Jobber. So makes our job a lot easier. But this is that's one thing a lot of people really like about Zapier. It makes a lot of these things particularly easier, especially if you're new to automation. But in this one, we're going to be using Facebook lead ads. Go ahead and choose and the event we're going to be choosing is when a new lead comes in, that's going to trigger it. And the account, we're going to go ahead and sign into our account here. And then under configure, go ahead and select your account here as well. I think it's this one. All right, go ahead and select that, then hit continue. And now we're going to test the trigger. And this is going to bring in some of the most recent leads that we have here. Perfect. Now we'll go ahead and select that lead. Go ahead and click continue with the selected event. And I like there to be a little bit of a delay so it's a little bit more human, doesn't seem quite so automated. So we're going to add a delay here. So search delay, action event is wait delay for, and we hit continue. We're going to put 1 minute. Click continue again. We can go ahead and skip the test. And now we'll go ahead and look up Jobber. The event we're going to choose is, okay, so this is a two-step process. First thing we're going to need to do is create a client. Then go ahead and select your account. Click continue. And now from here, we can start inserting all this, all the data that needs to go into the CRM that's required. So go ahead and click the plus button. And from here, we can actually add all of the information from the Facebook lead directly, choose what goes into each slot that goes directly into Jobber. So first name, so this particular form only has a full name. It doesn't have a first name and a last name. So we're just going to put down their full name under the first name area. We'll go ahead and leave last name blank. We can leave company name blank as well. We will press the plus button to add the email. Go ahead and do the raw email. All right, perfect. Now we got the email. Now I'll go ahead and select the phone number. Again, select the Facebook phone number. And then for the address, this is just going to be the top line of the address that we want to have added here. So go ahead and scroll down to where it says street address. And you're going to want to make sure that your Facebook form is built in such a way where each of these forms corresponds to your CRM. So if it's just looking for the first line of the address, it's just the first line of the address. We can kind of get away with doing both the first and last name under the first name in Jobber. But apart from that, we're gonna want to do the best we can to put them in exactly the correct spot. Then for the city, we'll go ahead and add that here as well. City, state, I would just hard code this in. There's no reason to do it any other way. Don't believe the country is necessary. And then zip code, same thing. Scroll down until we find it. All right, great. Now we got everything filled in that Jobber needs to be able to create a client. So we'll go ahead and click continue. We'll go ahead and test this as well. Have it to make sure it works correctly. Looks like it did. Got the green check mark. Now that we've got a client created, now we can go ahead and add them either as let's go ahead and look it up real quick. So it's Jobber, the action. So there's a couple actions. You can either create a quote or create a request. It just depends on how you like to run things. I don't think there's a better way to do it one way or the other. We will go ahead and create a request. Make sure you're logged into your account. Go ahead and click continue. So what we're going to do is click these three dots here and we're going to click custom. And from here, we can actually pull in the data directly. And we're actually going to do it from this client that we just created so that we can make sure that we're associating them with the exact same person. So go ahead and do the ID to make sure it's attached with the exact same person. That way it doesn't matter if the address or phone number or email is copied. Go ahead and click continue, and then we will go ahead and test the step here. Perfect. Yeah, looks like we worked. We got all three green check marks. So we can go ahead and get this published. And as soon as this is published, it's live and ready to go. So anytime you get a Facebook lead that comes in using that particular form, and you're going to want to do this for all of your Facebook forms, it's automatically going to create a new request in Jobber and a new client in Jobber for each of these new leads for you to be able to follow up on and work with. But that's it. Pretty simple and straightforward. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those in the comment section. Don't forget to press that subscribe button, and thanks for joining me. We'll see you guys next time.